Everyone, let's take a quick look into MUI Grid, the Pro version. I'm actually impressed to see that a buffered grid was even possible using React, but let's look into it. So, as you can see, we have a buffered range of rows, which is on top of the first visible one, which is fair for scrolling performance optimization. Now, if I'm scrolling purely horizontally, you can see that actually some weird stuff is happening here. So let's look at it. This is the first visible row, and as soon as I scroll to the right, you will see that the buffer zone gets removed. And then once you stop scrolling, it pretty much jumps back in. So I'm not sure about the concept here, but this definitely looks a bit odd. Makes it at least a little bit harder to debug, but let's look into the cells. So what we can see here is we have buffering for rows and cells, which is actually nice. But you can also see, like, if you look at the DOM operations, how often those diffs get highlighted in Chrome, and like, this is really like React rendering is running nuts, and this needs to get analyzed. There's definitely happening way too much here. Jumping to mobile now. So pretty much the same is happening here. The nice part is actually there's just, well, you at least can scroll also in a diagonal way, which is really, really impressive. So this part I do like. But again, as you can see how often those cells here get flickered, it's just render is running nuts. One part I want to also highlight here is it is very, very nice that you have this edit in code sandbox button. So I did try it out. So if you open this one here, I mean, when you start, you will see like you get like tons of JavaScript errors. And inside the demo here, it's really no longer responsive. So if I scroll, you will see I will immediately just run into empty areas. So it's really not the same. It's hard to tell if this is just a code sandbox issue or what is happening here. No, I cannot get into the DOM easily, but yeah, I'm just highlighting it's really not the same, and I'm not sure if it's a problem if you nest it deeper into normal apps as well.